The VANGUARD Creel Tension System is a fully automated, closed-loop tension control solution designed to maintain precise, repeatable tension across a range of toe positions. It continuously measures tension levels, compares it to a set point, and automatically adjusts brake torque to keep the process stable from start to finish. Montalvo has long set the standard in tension control, and the VANGUARD series reflects our commitment to innovation and the demands of modern, high-tech manufacturing. Tension is measured directly from the moving material using the VANGUARD load cell. As the fiber passes over the load cell, the force of tension in the strand generates a proportional electrical signal that we can measure and control through output to the brake. Designed for both precision and durability, this load cell detects even the smallest tension changes in real time. Its compact, narrow design allows multiple strands to be monitored side by side simultaneously. The electrical signal from the load cell is sent to the VANGUARD Tension Controller. The controller compares the measured tension to the operator's desired set point. If the tension is too high or too low, the controller calculates the necessary corrections and adjusts an output signal to the brake mounted on each individual strand. The VANGUARD controller translates decades of tension control experience into precise, reliable performance across multi-position applications. The controller's output signal is sent to the electro-pneumatic converter, which precisely regulates air pressure to each position throughout the entire manufacturing process. Regulated air pressure engages the VANGUARD Creel Brake, delivering controlled torque from a full roll all the way down to the core. Brake maintenance is as simple as removing 2 bolts and replacing the friction pad. The VANGUARD Creel was designed for machine operators, with no adjustments necessary. A new roll of material slides on easily, and operation is secure and completely automatic. Having the VANGUARD controller is like having an extra set of hands focusing just on the unwind. Once calibrated, you can set it and forget it, leaving operators free to focus on other aspects of your process.